us welcome ASUS Corporate Vice President Eric Chen.
Thank you for coming out to see us. I'm very excited to be back in Berlin to share our latest information with you. With more than 2 decades of innovation and engineering, we are well prepared to become the leaders in the ubiquitous computing era. For 2 consecutive years, Fortune magazine listed ASUS as one of the world's most admired companies. Our ROG, GTX gaming laptop, and the consumer notebook innovation make us the dominant leaders worldwide. On this journey, we have a very important partner who share the same passion for innovation and perfection. Please join me. Welcome our partner, Intel.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Chris Walker, Intel Vice President of the Client Computing Group.
Thank you, Eric, and thank you, ASUS. We're really happy and I'm pleased to be here representing all the hard work, engineering, and innovation we've done now and through the years. Very excited to see the new range of ASUS platforms that are coming out. Many of those designs built on Intel's latest 7th generation core processor that we just introduced yesterday. This processor is built on Intel's leading 14 nanometer plus manufacturing technology, and together with our design team, we focused on bringing the best into mobility, both for how people produce and work today, but also for people to enjoy the new immersive 4K based internet. And speaking on performance, this chip is great at energy efficient performance, enabling sleek and stylish designs. Since we first introduced our core processor family, we've driven a 10x improvement in efficient performance, enabling designs thinner than many phones, fanless, and with the performance you need to work and play. In fact, just over the processor we introduced last year, we're delivering productivity improvements and web experiences in the double-digit range, 12 to 19% on tasks you do every day. But most people aren't working on last year's PC. They're working on a 5-year-old notebook. In fact, over 400 million people are out working on a 5-year-old PC. And when you look at the capability that's changed in that time, it's just stunning. Again, for things that we do every day, converting documents to a PDF format, working with multiple slides, just browsing with multiple tabs open, that experience is 70% better than that old system. But where uses are going, it's stunning gains. So for the immersive internet in 4K video in 360 degrees, so if you want to see everything that this beautiful venue has to offer in stunning rich content, that experience of bringing in the image, doing quick editing, and then sharing it back out with your friends and family on a social network, all that can be done 8 times faster with a modern PC based on 7th gen core. And for the people who like to game on the go, with the processor graphics that we have on the chip, we've improved that 3 times over that old system, and that allows you to do something like a hot new title like Overwatch, one of the top 3 worldwide games that hit just this summer. You can now game on the go on a very thin and light PC, all in HD. So we're really proud of those accomplishments and that experience that's coming to the PC. In addition to the expanded capabilities with Thunderbolt 3, that's going to give you the best Type-C connection and allow you to do fast storage, video, and exciting new external graphics and gaming capabilities, all on these fantastic platforms. So with that, I think we want to turn it back to you, Eric, and actually see some of these new cool ASUS products. Yeah. Thanks.
Thank you. Thank you, Chris. ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite one of our best designer, Jen, to share with our beauty and design of our third generation notebooks. Let's welcome
Please
Jen.
welcome ASUS Design Center Director Jen Schwartz.
Thank you, Eric. Freedom has been a big concept for technology companies ever since computers were invented. From the freedom to create anything you want, to the freedom to create anywhere you want. The point of having a computer is to achieve more, to make marvelous things, to get the job done, and to learn the wonders of life, anytime, anywhere. In ASUS, we work really hard to minimize the physical existence of the computer, so maximize what you can enjoy doing, effortlessly. We dare do what others don't dare do, a model we challenge ourselves with every day, to go to every last meticulous detail, to refine and refine until the best possible things are polished and brought to you. Optimized and extreme compact. Allow me to introduce ASUS ZenBook 3, the most beautiful ultrabook with performance like never before. Living up to its reputation, ZenBook 3 is crafted for perfection. We apply the most detailed metalwork to create the solid form, the delicate patterns and finishes. And to top it all off, we have a golden trim to accentuate the zenness. Only 11.9 millimeter, we pack more into less. And it's just 910 grams. More performance, less weight. Constructed with aerospace-grade aluminum alloy, it's more durable and it's much lighter. The edge-to-edge, full-size keyboard is optimized for work. The travel distance is twice as much as our competition. The fingerprint scanner is integrated with a touchpad, the one-touch access with Windows Hello. With the highest screen-to-body ratio of 82%, the view is virtually frameless. Only 7.6 millimeter bezel. Spectacular. With such extreme, we give you the state-of-the-art performance with no compromise. Here are some of the comparisons. ZenBook 3 is thinner than the MacBook. Yet with the core i7 processor, we're 50% at least faster, more powerful. With lightning grade SSD, ZenBook 3 is twice as fast as the MacBook. And the LPDDR memory makes ZenBook 3 50% faster than MacBook Air. Cooling the high-performance CPU is a big design challenge. We designed the world's thinnest 3mm thermal solution so you can work in peace and quiet. It runs longer, charges faster. The 9-hour battery life with our exclusive fast-charging technology allows you to go from 0 to 60 in just 49 minutes. So you can keep the inspiration flowing, interruption-free. There are 4 speakers inside ZenBook 3. Combining Sonic Master technology with Harman Kardon, we managed to make the sound even better. We're 150 times louder, 50% louder, 30% more bass, and infinitely more richness. This is ZenBook 3, the impossible balance of power and beauty. When computers get smaller, sometimes you feel restricted by the screen size. ZenScreen is designed to enlarge your workspace, so you can multitask with an extended view anywhere you want. ZenScreen weighs only 800 grams, the lightest and the world's slimmest 15.6-inch portable display, measuring just under 8mm, making it a lot easier to carry around. The bezel is 6.5mm only, 60% better than before. And we also designed a smart case, foldable, so you're not only protected, you can rotate from portrait to landscape mode. ZenScreen features a hybrid Type-C for both power charging and video transmission. It's compatible to any laptop that uses Type-C or A plugs. Now, more and more people are looking for options between a traditional laptop and their mobile phones. The perfect balance between work and life. Being versatile and adaptive is key to design. Here's the world's most versatile PC, Transformer 3 Pro. Powerful, convenient, expandable. Here are some of the possibilities to make Transformer 3 Pro even better in the following scenarios. If you want more connections, we have all the hubs and ports with any possible I/O you might need. If you want more power, we have the XG Station 2 with your choice of graphic card that really ups your game. If you want to sit back and relax, AudioPod amplifies the sound even more. Or if you just want to draw or doodle, ASUS Pen is at your service, so anything goes. With durable metal housing, the diamond cut around the edge brings out the premium and sophisticated look. A kickstand is designed to be flexible, and now you can adjust the angle any way you want. Video viewing, web browsing, or just working. You see more details with Transformer 3 Pro, better pixels, more clarity. 22% wider color gamuts give you realer colors in real life. ASUS True to Life video technology increased the resolution to 4 times, giving you 200% better sharpness and contrast. In terms of performance, Transformer 3 Pro also has Core i7 processor, 16 GB RAM, up to 1 TB SSD memory and Thunderbolt 3 connector, making it every bit as powerful, but much more mobile. Thunderbolt 3 technology supports dual 4K displays, 40 GB per second transfer speed. We are 8 times faster than the top competitors. For any 2-in-1, I/O ports are very essential because you never know what kind of accessory you're gonna need. Transformer 3 Pro has full-size HDMI, USB Type-C 3.1, and as mentioned, Thunderbolt 3 connector and USB 3.0. Growing up, we all knew how to draw before we knew how to write or type or create that express ourselves. With ASUS Pen pairing with Transformer 3 Pro, we're now back to the most original and the best part of the analog experience, and we can create with infinite possibilities. To take a step further, we have a wide range of mobile hubs with any possible I/Os. We collaborate with Harman Kardon and add our SmartAmp technology, and we're now 3.5 times our original value. AudioPod is a Bluetooth speaker with 4 speaker modules, 5.1 channel surround sound that basically sends the best sound to every corner of the room. ASUS ROG XG Station 2 is a modular device. With your choice of graphic card, you can interchange it. And you can add it to the Transformer 3 Pro or any device that has 2 Type-Cs. Once connected, you can have 4K super high-res PC gaming experience. ASUS also has a few VR options coming up really soon. Once that happens, you will be free from devices and immerse in the 360 degrees of pure entertainment that will blow you away. From EPC to 2007, to Transformer series until now, ASUS has never stopped trying to find the best solutions for mobile computing. We started this quest and will continue to strive to top ourselves. Transformer series has yet another invention, Transformer 3. With our iconic spin line, Transformer 3 is a timeless design. Bigger screen, better viewing, the 12.6-inch display with the best screen-to-body ratio is head-to-head with competition, and more. Also greater detail for better enjoyment. Wider color gamut for the most realistic colors. Brighter than ever for great outdoor viewing experience. 4 speakers at the 4 corners are perfect for surround sound and video viewing. Again, with the SmartAmp technology, we're 4.5 times better, and that much better also in the sound quality. One-touch access with Windows Hello. Outstanding performance with the 7th generation of Intel Core. Far better than Atom. 512 gigabit SSD, 40 gigabyte per second Thunderbolt 3, and the power still lasts 9 hours. Perfect for your on-the-move needs. So here they are again. The most powerful and beautiful Ultrabook, ASUS ZenBook 3. The most versatile PC, Transformer 3 Pro. And the most timeless mobile computer, Transformer 3. Now, I would like to bring on stage my colleague, Eric Hermanson, to talk about the mobile products. Welcome, Eric.
Please welcome ASUS Head of Email Marketing, Eric Hermanson.
Guten Tag, wie geht's? My name is Eric Hermanson, and it's my sincere pleasure to be here today. I'm very fortunate not only to be able to introduce one new mobile product, but actually two new mobile products. And we're going to kick things off in tablet with the all-new ASUS ZenPad 3S with 10-inch display, which delivers the ultimate in terms of cinematic entertainment and sophisticated performance. Now, when it comes to any product, it always starts with a very strong understanding of our customers, the end user. We've looked at a lot of research and tested to see how people are using tablets today. So not only is there a movement to larger screens, but we've also noticed that there's a specific preference in terms of how people are using their tablets, from reading books to watching movies and TV and to gaming. And because of these specific consumptions, we've also noticed a higher demand for battery performance and overall performance of the tablet itself. And all of this went into creating the all-new ASUS ZenPad 3S 10. Product really wouldn't be an ASUS product without starting with design. And with the ASUS ZenPad 3S 10, you have a full metallic body as well as diamond cut detailing so that you really have a premium device both to look at and also to hold. And because we know entertainment is so important, we also did a lot to increase the screen to body ratio. Now it's 78%. Which is greater than the Apple iPad Air 2, as well as any of these Samsung tablets on the market today. We also have a very slim, the world's slimmest 5.32 millimeter bezel. As well, we've also added something interesting for the design, which is the advanced fingerprint ID. So now you can access all your favorite applications just with one simple quick touch. And as I mentioned before, entertainment is an extremely important part of any consumer's tablet uses. So we have enhanced our proprietary technologies, our Visual Master as well as Sonic Master technologies, so that you have the best viewing and listening experience on your ZenPad. And it starts with our true-to-life technology, which we've enhanced so that you have even sharper images with better contrast. And we also have our beautiful 2K display so that when you're viewing the images, they become very, very lifelike and almost immerse you in the experience. And of course, audio is one of those things that's necessary in order to make that entertainment experience complete. So we have a number of amazing technologies within the ZenPad 3S 10, starting from our advanced 5 magnetic speakers, which can deliver up to 500% louder volume and output power without the distortion. We also have our high-resolution audio, which delivers audio quality 4 times better than what you have on a CD, and is so clear and powerful that it's actually been certified by the Japan Audio Society. And because we know a lot of you are listening to audio and watching movies when you're on the go, we also have our DTS Headphone X, which delivers powerful virtual 7.1 surround sound. And last but not least, we also have our Smart Amp, which helps deliver maximum audio performance and also protect your speakers. Now, all of these technologies wouldn't be complete without great performance. And that's why the ZenPad 3S 10 comes with a hexa-core processor, as well as 4 GB of RAM, so that you get this smooth playback on very, very demanding and high-performance videos and games like you can see here. This is Need for Speed No Limit, which along with SimCity Build It comes free preloaded onto the device, so you can really experience the power that the ZenPad 3S 10 has. And in addition, we also want to make sure the battery life is also extremely powerful. So it comes with a 5900 milliamp per hour battery, which will give you up to 10 hours of video playback as well as 12 hours of playback when you're doing web browsing. And to make sure that you can quickly get up and going, we also come with Quick Charge 3.0 so that you limit your downtime and make sure that your ZenPad is always with you and giving you the performance that you want. Now, before I started, I mentioned I was fortunate enough to actually have two products that I can introduce today. One you just saw, which is the amazing ZenPad 3S10. I also have, as poker players like to say, something up my sleeve, which is the all-new ZenWatch 3. This amazing product is truly one that has elegant design, time-honored craftsmanship, as well as what we call smart customization, and you'll soon see what that means. Stunning watch. Now, just as I mentioned before with ZenPads, any great product starts with understanding the user and some of their behavior. One of the things we noticed is that a lot of millennials now are starting to adopt smartwatches. Up to about 40% of millennials now are using the product. And one of the things that we've noticed, which is very interesting, is not only are they using it for communication, but also personalization is an extremely important element. And that is why we have a product that has some very interesting features, which I'm going to share with you in a little bit. But just like the ZenPad, the ZenBook, and some of our other products, it always starts with great design. And we took a lot of inspiration from some of the classical mechanical watch designs that you see today to really inspire the design and look of the ZenWatch 3. And I know it's hard to see it from where you guys are sitting, so I encourage you guys after today's presentation to come out to the demo station and really see the product for yourself. It is truly a luxurious and premium design watch. Now, we searched far and wide to find the purest materials to build the ZenWatch 3, and then combine that with precision smartwatch craftsmanship to create the perfect smartwatch today, the ZenWatch 3. And now, not only is it important to have a beautiful watch to look at, but because a ZenWatch is very different from our other products because it's on your wrist all day, we put it through rigorous sensitivity tests to make sure that it feels good on the skin, and we use jewelry-grade stainless steel to make sure that it really has the optimal comfort for the consumer. And we also have our unique diamond-cut bezel, which actually creates a lighter experience for the watch and gives you a more premium and elegant experience. And now I'm proud to say that the ZenWatch 3 is actually the world's first smartwatch with Android Wear that has this 3-button configuration. And this 3-button configuration is important because it gives you more intuitive functionality and overall experience, which is similar to what we've grown up with traditional watches. And to finish it off the design, we also have a premium, genuine leather, Italian leather band, which really complements the watch and really makes it feel and look premium. And this smartwatch comes in a number of different colors. You can get the ZenWatch 3 in gunmetal, silver, as well as rose gold, which I think is probably the nicest of the two.
Every circle has a center, like an annual solar eclipse that burns through the atmosphere, curving around the circle's edge. Around the world, we gather only the purest raw materials. In the center, forged in fiery furnaces, the ZenWatch 3 comes into focus. We have crafted a more perfect, fully circular design to raise the bar of excellence in engineering. Cold forged craftsmanship means an 82% stronger device for a demanding world. Obsessing over the smallest details, the near surgical precision of CNC milling brings a laser's focus to your world. Smaller and smoother cuts means a diamond cut bezel for a lighter, more elegant experience, with a 3-button design for a more intuitive functionality. With a jewelry-grade 316L stainless steel body, each detail is hand-finished, as if polishing the finest stones. The circle completes its rose gold curve as beauty and power arc towards each other with blinding speed. Like the elegant rose gold multi-layer setting button design and finely stitched, luxurious soft Italian leather, our layers work intuitively together to move mountains. These powerful forces combine to create our perfectly round world. So, when everything comes full circle, it's truly a sight to behold.
I'm sure you can say, okay, Eric, I can see now it's a very premium, luxurious watch, but you also mentioned something before about personalization. And this is where I can start to talk about smart customization. With the ZenWatch 3, it comes with 6 different themes, as well as over 50 different designer watch faces. So you can really customize your ZenWatch 3 to fit your particular mood, the style you're in for that particular day, or even in the environment that you're in. And if it's not enough, we also have the Face Designer application, so you can actually go in and create your very own version of your the watch face so that it really matches your specific style and needs. In addition to that, we also have the ZenWatch Manager, which sits on your smartphone, so you can actually set up all the functionalities and control everything that sits on your ZenWatch 3 so that it works exactly as you want it to. And it's more intuitive than ever. Now, as I mentioned, we have the 3-button design. You can actually set the top button to go directly into any of your favorite applications, so that when you're on the go, it's quick and easy to use and you get to the applications that you're looking for. And we know most people today are using their smartwatches for fitness purposes. So we have our proprietary ZenFit application, which allows you to track and actually encourages you to do more exercise and more exertion of energy throughout the day. And you can sync this together with the app that sits on your smartphone, so you can control all of the different activities you're doing, whether it's going for a run, going for a hike, or even just going to the gym. It really gives you complete fitness management. And now, one of the things that we've seen that has been an issue with smartwatches in the past is the accuracy and being able to give you the information that you need to help you in your fitness activities. So with the ZenWatch 3, we've actually been able to achieve industry-leading accuracy up to 95%, so that you can be sure that any of the activities you're doing are measured properly and you get the detailed information that you need. And also, since you're going to be out on the go and doing quite a bit in your busy day, we want to make sure that the ZenWatch 3 keeps charging and keeps giving you the battery life that you need. So we have our hypercharge technology, which in the time it takes you just to have a coffee, around 15 minutes, you can actually charge it up to 60%, which gives you about a full day's of usage. That's super fast. And the privilege and premium experience with the ZenWatch 3 even starts when you get the device itself. It comes in a custom crafted box and comes with a number of accessories, such as the magnetic charger, which the base of the watch actually clips directly to the charger to give you quick and easy charging. It comes with a very nice watch stand, so you can put that onto your desktop or your table, nightstand. And very important, we also have a premium battery pack, which actually gives you up to 40% additional battery life. And this just attaches, again, onto the back of the watch, so when you're out on the go and you need a little bit more juice, you can actually attach that onto your ZenWatch 3 and give you up to 40% more battery life. So there you have it, two amazing devices, the ZenPad 3S10, which is the ultimate in cinematic entertainment, sophisticated performance, as well as our all-new ZenWatch 3, which delivers premium craftsmanship, as well as elegant design and smart personalization. And now for our next section of the presentation, please welcome our Corporate Vice President, Eric Chen, back onto the stage. Eric?
Now, it is the most exciting moment. Pricing. Ladies and gentlemen, ASUS ZenBook 3 is truly the world's most prestigious laptop, combining unprecedented performance into a slim and stylish form factor. The top-notch ZenBook 3 is available for €199. Thank you. Next, the ASUS Transformer 3 Pro is designed for those who refuse to compromise on the performance when on the go. With 256GB SSD, keyboard cover, ASUS Pen is available for €1,599. Thank you. We have another version with a hi-fi version, okay? Will be available for €1,399. Thank you. And ultimately, dream machine that fulfill every aspect of our human design for the mobility, beauty, productivity, entertainment. The ASUS Transformer 3, 256GB SSD, keyboard cover, ASUS Pen will be available for €999. Thank you. Next, the ZenScreen is the world's thinnest and lightest portable monitor. Will be available for €269. Thank you. The ZenPad 3SS10 made for incredible entertainment with the largest display and true-to-life technology and live high-res audios will be available for €379. Thank you. ZenWatch 3, elegant design, personal style, and premium craftsmanship will be available for €229. Thank you. I would like to invite our Intel partner, Chris, back on the stage for the photo.
Let us welcome back to the stage Intel Vice President Chris Walker. also welcome onto the stage ASUS EMEA General Manager System Business Group Eric O, ASUS Chief Marketing Officer Rex Lee, ASUS Design Center Director Jen Chuan, ASUS Head of EMEA Marketing Eric Hermanson, and ASUS Central Euro Regional Head Jörg Schlerfling.
Thank you everyone for attending. The demo area is open now. See you next year.